If skipping face washing suddenly made your skin look smoother, what actually happened? Today, I'll show you the half-truth behind the no-wash trend, and 3 things you can do today to calm your skin. Less sting, less tightness, fewer irritation bumps. And at the end, I'll point you to a simple 1-page fall-winter skin checklist so you can put this into practice right away. Here's the story that keeps going viral. A home-working blogger tries 30 days without washing the face. Day 1, oily but tolerable. Day 2, strangely dry. By about day 7, swinging back and forth between oily and dry like a thermostat that can't make up its mind. Then around day 30, somehow the skin looks smoother and more even. It sounds like do nothing and look better, right? Not quite. That early improvement is usually your skin getting relief from over-cleansing, not a miracle from no wash. Keep pushing no wash long enough, and you raise the risk of irritant dermatitis, congestion, and breakouts. Think of your skin barrier like a brick and mortar wall.
Oh.
Bricks are corneocytes, mortar is lipids. When you over-cleanse, you dissolve the mortar. The wall starts to leak, you feel tightness and sting. Then the paradox shows up, rebound oil. Your skin tries to compensate for the stripped lipids by producing more oil, which makes you think you need to cleanse even harder. That spin cycle is what we're going to break. Here's the first fix. During the cooler months, use a gentle cleanser at night, and in the morning, rinse with water only. Or skip cleansing if you didn't sweat. Gentle usually means low foam, amino acid-based surfactants, and a slightly acidic feel after rinsing. No squeaky sheen, no taut mask. Squeaky clean is for plates, not faces. Second fix. Commit to lukewarm water, about 95 to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, or 35 to 37 Celsius. The hotter the water, the more active your cleanser's surfactants become, and the more lipid they strip. And the trending tip to alternate hot and cold to open and close pores? Pores aren't doors. If pores were doors, mine would need a squeaky hinge replaced every summer. Rapid hot-cold swings can irritate facial nerves and sensitive skin without delivering any pore open-close magic. Keep it simple. Lukewarm water, no temperature theatrics, around 60 seconds of contact time, and blot dry with a clean towel. Don't scrub. Third fix. Understand surfactants in plain English. Imagine 2 hands. One grabs water, one grabs oil. Soap-based or high alkaline cleansers are like heavy-duty degreasers. Great for engines, not great for faces. Amino acid surfactants clean with less collateral damage. On labels, look for words like cocoyl glycinate, cocoyl glutamate, or sarcosinate. After rinsing, your face should feel calm and comfortable, never raspy or squeaky. If your cheeks feel like a stretched balloon, that's your barrier telling you it's not happy. Cleansing is only half the picture. Moisturizing is a strategy, not just a product. Think in roles. Humectants, like multi-weight hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and sodium PCA, pull water into the outer layer of skin. Emollients, like squalane and triglycerides, smooth the spaces between cells so the surface feels soft, not rough. Occlusives, like petrolatum or lanolin, seal in moisture and slow water loss. And repair ingredients, ceramides, cholesterol, panthenol, support the barrier itself. Signs you're under moisturizing, especially in fall and winter, include fine flaking right after washing, that sharp towel sting, and acne marks that linger because your barrier is stressed. A simple plan. After your evening cleanse, apply humectants plus a light emollient. If you're very dry, add a thin occlusive film at night. If you're oily dehydrated, stick to light gel cream textures that hydrate without feeling heavy. Now, what should you expect? Give yourself about 4 weeks of gentle nightly cleansing and consistent moisturizing. Most people notice less tightness and flaking and fewer irritation-driven bumps. That's not a treatment claim, just a very common pattern when you stop stripping your barrier and start supporting it. Here's how to start today. In the morning, if you didn't sweat, either skip cleansing or do a quick water rinse. Gently pat dry, apply a light humectant-forward moisturizer, And don't forget sunscreen if you're going outside. In the evening, use a gentle cleanser with lukewarm water for no more than 60 seconds. Blot dry, then apply a ceramide or panthenol containing moisturizer. If your skin is very dry, finish with a thin occlusive layer to lock it in. And for the next 7 days, drop the hot-cold routine completely and keep a tiny note in your phone. Rate your sting, tightness from 0 to 10 each night. If that number trends down, your barrier is breathing a little easier. Let's recap so you can do this right away. Gentle nightly cleanse. Lukewarm only. No hot-cold pore tricks. Moisturize with humectants plus barrier support. And keep it light in the morning. Richer at night as your skin needs. That's the blueprint. If this helped, please subscribe, hit like, and tell me your 7-day results in the comments. What changed on your sting tightness scale? And share this with someone who's still chasing that squeaky clean feeling. I've put a 1-page fall-winter skin checklist in the pinned comment so you can follow these steps without guessing. This video is educational and not medical advice. If you have persistent burning, a severe or spreading rash, or worsening acne with scarring, please see a clinician for personalized care. And that's it. Gentle at night, smart in the morning, lukewarm forever. Your barrier will thank you.